Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Nokia 105 is powered on and responsive. This ensures settings will open. Press the center navigation key to open menu and locate settings. This is where radio controls live. Once done, use the directional keys to highlight settings and press the center key to enter. Make sure to move deliberately so you don't skip a submenu. The display is small and a mispress sends you back, so confirm each selection before continuing. Next, within Settings, find Phone Settings or Connectivity. Models vary, but both lead to network controls. Scroll through the list until Flight Mode or Airplane Mode appears, then highlight it using the navigation keys. Press the center key to open the Flight Mode toggle menu. You do this because Flight Mode disables radio functions. Toggling here restores network radios. Take a beat to read the on-screen label, so you don't toggle a different feature, like finally, change the flight mode setting to off and press the center key to confirm. This immediately attempts to re-enable cellular radio. Exit back to the home screen and check the top corner for signal bars and network name. This verifies it worked. If the phone still shows no signal, restart the device to force a network rescan and then repeat the steps. If issues persist, try a different SIM or check for physical SIM seating problems before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.